Spain is a home to this, and this. Some of the most amazing and inspiring landscapes on the planet. But is it a really biking heaven like they say? We're here to find out. Our Spanish moto tour starts in one small town, Cojín, 33 kilometers west of provincial capital Malaga, and about 30 kilometers north of famous and posh place Marbella. For this moto adventure, we planned 3 days full of riding on some of the most amazing pistes in Europe. On day 1 of our moto touring in Spain, we will explore mountain city El Chorro, well-known place in the rock climbing world, or as locals say, favorite place of motorcycling magazines. We won't leave El Chorro without visiting 3 stunning turquoise-colored lakes. For day 2 we are heading on to higher altitudes, towards Sierra de Grazalema Natural Park. Our plan is to ride on a fast and twisty roads, visit white villages, taste some proper local food, and enjoy a Spanish countryside. We won't leave Spain without visiting breathtaking viewpoints and beaches around cities of Malaga and Marbella. Day 3 is reserved just for that. At the moment, riding conditions are ideal, sunny with temperature around 18 degrees and going up. That's pretty incredible for mid-February. For exploring Spain, our choice this time was BMW GS 1200 Adventure. And for the base we chose Jurassic Park, owned and managed by Toro Adventures. So let's get going and discover is Spain worth visiting and touring, and what really this country has to offer.
Okay guys, it's been a day 3 of riding with Toro Adventures here in Andalusia in Spain, and all we can say is we had a fabulous time with those guys. Right now we are heading down to main beach in here in Malaga. This was our first trip to Spain, and it truly is a biking paradise. So, it doesn't matter if you are riding near the sea or in the mountains, every road is amazing. It's just astonishing how much beauty this country has.
Toilet seat is gone out as the toilet shall be locked for landing. Thank you.